Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We are into the next session, another session of past paper questions. Okay, this question is from June 03, and let's see what's there for us in this question. It says a committee of 5 people is to be chosen from 6 men and 4 women. Okay, no problem. There are 6 men and there are 4 women, and we need to choose 5 from them. Okay, in how many ways can this be done? If you see, you have to keep this word chosen in your mind. Okay, so if there must be 3 men and 2 women on the committee, so the first part is going to be 6C3 and 4C2. That's it. If you do this, you can get 2 marks. Okay. Then it says in the second part, if there must be more men than women on the committee. Okay. So let's list them: men, women. We need 5. Okay. So all 5 of them can be men. There will be no women then. 4 men and 1 woman, 3 men and then 2 women. So this would be, there are 6 men and there are 4 women. So this would be 6C5 times 4C0 plus 6C4 times 4C1 and then plus 6C3 times 4C2. That is how you'll find the number of the committees where there are more men than the women. And then we move to the third part of this question, the last part, which is if there must be 3 men and 2 women, okay, and one particular woman refuses to be on the committee with one particular man. Oh, now we have to have 3 uh, men and 2 women, and there is some problem with 2 of them. So that woman says that she will not be the member of the committee if that certain person is there. Oh, very serious situation. What can be the reason, by the way, why this lady does not want to be in the committee in the presence of that person? That is a very suspicious situation. Okay. Now let's say that person's name is Jojo. Okay. And that lady's name is Momo. Okay. And now we are having 5 men and we have 3 women. Remember, we have to have 3 men and 2 women. Okay. Now, if Jojo is going, Momo will not go. She will say, no, I can't go. So this means, since we need to have 3 men and 2 women, so this means we need 2 more men and 2 women. Okay, guys? If Jojo is not going, okay, then we are not sure if Momo is going or not. Okay, so if there must be 3 men to one particular woman refuses to be on the committee. Okay, so then Momo, we are not sure if she's going or not. Okay, but now we have out of these 5 men, we need to have 3 men. Okay, and out of the 4 now, okay, I'll consider that 4 because we are not sure if Momo is going or not going. Okay, so now we have 4 options. So this would be we need 2 ladies, 2 from 4. Okay, and if, for example, they both are not going, then we have um, I think we don't need to consider this. Okay. So this is going to be 5C2 times 3C2 plus 5C3 times 4C2. Please check the answer. So the answer is 90. Now, there is one way of doing this. Let me test myself. Now, suppose we consider the situation where they are both going, where both of them going, which is not possible basically. When they are both going, that means we need to have two more men and one more women, okay? So that would be 5C2 times 3C1. This is the number where both of them going. We'll take it out from this 6C3 times 4C2. That is the total number of committees having three men and two women, regardless of any condition over here. Okay. So this is the total possible number of committees. And this is the number where they are both going. Tell me, do we still get 90 from here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this was another way of finding this number. Okay. So I move to the next paper now. Oh, guys, the next question is from Juno 5. And it's a seventh question. It says, a football team consists of three players who play in the defense position. Okay, so number of players playing the defense position, that is three. Three players who play in a midfield. I'm really bad at football, so I don't know what they are talking about. Okay, five players who play in the forward position. I can tell a lot about the cricket, by the way. Okay, so I can see one thing. You see, our cricket teams, they have 11 players, so they have also 11 players. Okay, three players are chosen to collect a gold medal for the team. Oh, now look at this. Focus the word chosen. So three players are chosen. Find in how many ways this can be done. Now, suppose if there were no restrictions, then in how many ways this could be done? Hmm? Then this could be simply 11C3. You have to choose 3 out of 11, okay? But it says find in how many ways this can be done if the captain, who is the midfield player, must be included, okay? Captain has to be there. Captain is here in these midfield players, okay? Together with one defense and one forward player, one defense and one forward player. So that means captain is already there. So we need to have one from the defense and one from the forward player. So the A1's answer, to me, it seems to be this should be one from the defense and one from the forward players. That's it. Can someone please quickly check the answer? So the answer is correct, which is 15. Okay. Now let's see how to do the second part. If exactly one forward player must be included together with any two others. Okay. So we just need one forward player. Okay. So that means it has to be 5C1 times. Now these two, uh, so these two can be from the midfield players and from the defense. Okay, so that means this is going to be times 6C2. Yes. Can someone again check the answer?
Sir, 75, ठीक है answer.
Okay, that is 75. That's is correct. That's great going. Okay. And if you have questions, please keep asking those as well. Find how many different arrange. Oh, look at this. Now we are going to go into the arrangements. Four of the 9 letters gold medal. Let me quickly make a check that how many G's we have. There is one G. How many O's I have? There is one O. How many L's we have? There are 2 L's. How many D's we have? There are 2 D's. How many M's we have? There's 1. How many E's we have? 1. Okay. How many A's we have? 1. Okay. 3, 2, 4, 6, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 9, I have tallied them, that there are 9 letters altogether. Now it says if there are no restrictions on the order of the letters, okay? So that is simply 9 factorial over 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Now the B part 2. If the two D's come first and the two L's come at the end. Oh, it's an easy question, okay? So we have the two D's here, the two L's here, okay? So these D's are fixed here, these L's are fixed here. So we have 5 slots to be filled with the 5 letters. So this is simply 5 factorial. Yes. What if the condition was that we can have the two D's at the end or at the beginning and the two L's at the end or at the beginning? So what could be an extra working over here? The D's can be here as well, the L's can be here as well. So would the answer be same or you would do something else with this? Hmm? Yes. Then there had to be a 2 factorial with that because D's can take any position, L's can take any position. So this could be done this way then. Anyhow, this ends this session on the past paper questions about the permutations and combinations. We'll be starting a new chapter tomorrow that would be about the binomial distribution. Thank you very much.